Children, this is your Netra ma'am from Mangala Vidya Mandira. Mathematics class for first standard. Children, today we will learn about money. After studying this unit, you can learn about identify the currency notes and coins in use in our country. Get familiar with these coins and notes. Make the given amount using different combinations of coins and notes. Relate the cost of material with currency. Children, see these situations. In first situation, the mother is asking child, "What do you want?" Then the child says, "Mother, I want dash to buy pencil." Here the child needs money. Children, see this situation. Here the child is asking, "Uncle, I want a balloon." The balloon seller says, "I will give you a balloon. You should give me dash." What he need? The balloon seller asked money. See the third situation. Here the child is asking, "Uncle, I want ice cream." The ice cream seller telling, "Give me dash." Yes, he needs money. Children, today let us learn about money with Sonu and her piggy bank. Sonu has collected so many coins and notes with her. Now she is putting them one by one in her piggy bank. She is putting a 50 paise coin, a 1 rupee coin, 2 rupee coin, 5 rupee coin, and 10 rupee coin. Look, she is now putting notes. 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupee, 10, 20, 50, 100, 200, 500 and 2000. All the coins and notes with different denominators are called money. Children, now we will identify the coins which are equal to different notes. First we have 1 rupee note. On beside of it we have two 50 paise coins. What cost will we get when we add these two coins? Yes, 1 rupee. 50 paise plus 50 paise is equals to 100 paise. 1 rupee is equals to 100 paise. This is the symbol of rupee. Here we have 2 rupee note and beside of it we have two 1 rupee coins. What cost we will get when we add these two? Yes, 1 rupee plus 1 rupee is equals to 2 rupee. 2 rupee is equal to two 1 rupee coins. Next we have one 1 rupee coin and two 50 paise coins. What cost will we get when we add these three? 50 paise plus 50 paise is equals to 1 rupee. 1 rupee plus 1 rupee is equals to 2 rupee. 2 rupee is equal to 1 rupee coin and two 50 paise coins. Next we have four 50 paise coins. What cost will we get when we add these four? 50 paise plus 50 paise plus 50 paise plus 50 paise is equals to 2 rupee. 2 rupee is equal to 450 paise coins. Here we have 5 rupee note and beside of it we have 5 1 rupee coins. What cost we will get when we add these 5? Yes, 1 rupee plus 1 rupee plus 1 rupee plus 1 rupee plus 1 rupee is equals to 5 rupee. 5 rupee is equal to 5 1 rupee coins. Next we have 2 rupee coins, 1 rupee coin. What cost we will get when we add these 3 coins? Yes, 2 rupee plus 2 rupee is equals to 4 rupees. 4 rupee plus 1 rupee is equals to 5 rupees. 5 rupee is equal to 2 rupee coins and 1 rupee coin. Next we have 10 rupee note and beside of it we have 2 5 rupee coins. What cost will we get when we add these two? Yes, 5 rupee plus 5 rupee is equals to 10 rupee. 10 rupee is equal to 2 5 rupee coins. Next we have 5 2 rupee coins. What cost will we get when we add these 5 coins? Yes, 2 rupee plus 2 rupee plus 2 rupee plus 2 rupee plus 2 rupee is equals to 10 rupees. 10 rupee is equals to 5 2 rupee coins. Next we have 10 1 rupee coins. What cost will we get when we add these 10 coins? Yes, 1 rupee plus 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 1 rupee is equals to 10 rupees. 10 rupee is equal to 10 1 rupee coins. Children, now we should do match the following. First we have 1 rupee. Here, which currency has value of 1 rupee? Yes, this coin. So they have matched these two. Next we have 5 rupee. Here, which currency has the value of 5 rupee? Yes, this coin. So we should match these two. Next we have 2 rupee. Here, which currency has the value of 2 rupee? Yes, this coin. So we should match these two. Now we have 10 rupee. Here, which currency has the value of 10 rupee? Yes, this coin. So we should match these two. Next we have 50 paise. Here, which currency has the value of 50 paise? Yes, this coin. So we should match these two. Children, now we should do match the following. First we have 2 rupee. Here, which currency note has value of 2 rupee? Yes, this note. So, they have matched these two. Next we have 10 rupee. Here, which currency note has the value of 10 rupee? Yes, this note. So, we should match these two. Next we have 5 rupee. Here, which currency has the value of 5 rupee? Yes, this currency note. So we should match these two. Now we have 20 rupee. Here, which currency note has the value of 20 rupee? Yes, this note. So we should match these two. Next we have 1 rupee. Here, which currency note has the value of 1 rupee? Yes, this note. So we should match these two. Children, now we should put right for the coin or note that has to be paid to buy them. First we have chocolate. Its price is 50 paise. Here, which coin value is 50 paise? Yes, this coin. So we should tick this one. Here we have pencil. It cost 5 rupee. Here, which coin value is 5 rupees? Yes, this coin. So we should tick this one. Now we have cucumber. What is the cost of cucumber? Yes, the cost of cucumber is 1 rupee. Here, Which coin value is 1 rupee? Yes, this coin. So we should take this one. Now we have banana. What is the cost of banana? Yes, the cost of banana is 2 rupees. Here, where is 2 rupee note? Yes, this one. So we should tick this one. Now we have coconut. What is the cost of coconut? Yes, the cost of coconut is 10 rupees. Here, which note value is 10 rupees? Yes, this note. So we should tick this one. Next we have pumpkin. What is the cost of pumpkin? Yes, the cost of pumpkin is 20 rupees. Here, where is 20 rupee note? Yes, this one. So we should tick this one. Children, now we should observe the articles and the notes representing their prices. Write the prices of each article. First we have custard apple. Its price is they have given one 10 rupee note and one 2 rupee note. Now we should add both of these. What is 10 plus 2? 10 plus 2 is equals to 12 rupees. The cost of custard apple is 12 rupees. Now we have pineapple. Its price they have given one 5 rupee note and one 10 rupee note. Now we should add both of these. What is 5 plus 10? 5 plus 10 is equals to 15. Therefore, the price of pineapple is 15 rupees. Children, look at the price tag on the articles. Which two notes or coins given above can you use to buy these things? First we have papaya. The cost of papaya is 12 rupees. Here, which two notes or coins add up to 12 rupees? Yes, one 10 rupee note and one 2 rupee coin. Add up to 10 plus 2 is equals to 12 rupees. Children, see this musical instrument. What is this cost? This cost is 7 rupees. Here, which two notes or coins add up to 7 rupees? Yes, one 5 rupee note and one 2 rupee coin add up to 5 plus 2 is equals to 7 rupees. Now we have balloons. What is the price of balloons? Yes, the price of balloons is 4 rupees. Here, which two notes or two coins add up to 4 rupees? Yes, two 2 rupee coins add up to 4 rupees. 2 plus 2 is equals to 4. Now we have bucket. What is the price of bucket? Yes, the price of bucket is 25 rupees. Here, which two notes or coins add up to 25 rupees? Yes, one 20 rupee note and one 5 rupee note. Add up to 20 plus 5 is equals to 25 rupees. Now we have garland. What is the price of garland? Yes, the price of garland is 3 rupees. Here, which two notes or two coins add up to 3 rupees? Yes, one 2 rupee coin and one 1 rupee coin is add up to 2 plus 1 is equals to 3 rupees. Children, look at the price of the articles. Match the articles amount to be paid. First we have jug. The price of the jug is 15 rupees. On the right side, which note and coins add up to 15 rupees? Yes, these two. 10 rupee note and 5 rupee coin add up to 15 rupees. So we should match these two. Next we have custard apple. The price of the custard apple is 11 rupees. On the right side, which note and coin add up to 11 rupees? Yes, these two. One 10 rupee note and one 1 rupee coin add up to 11 rupees. So we should match these two. Next we have coconut. The price of the coconut is 10 rupees. On the right side, where is 10 rupee? Yes, here. So we should match these two. Next we have papaya. The price of the papaya is 12 rupees. On the right side, which note and coin add up to 12 rupees? Yes, one 10 rupee coin and one 2 rupee coin add up to 12 rupees. So we should match these two. Now we have sharpener. The price of the sharpener is 5 rupees. On the right side, where is 5 rupees? Yes, here. So we should match these two. Here we have balloon. The price of the balloon is 2 rupees. On the right side, where is 2 rupees? Yes, here. So we should match these two. Children, look at the price of these toys and answer the following questions. Here we have 4 toys. A car for 10 rupees, a doll for 5 rupees, a damaru for 2 rupees, and a cycle for 5 rupees. Now we should answer these questions. The first question is, which 2 toys can you buy for 10 rupees? Children, we can buy the number 2 doll and number 4 bicycle for 10 rupees. The next question is, which one toy can you buy for 10 rupees? We can buy the number 1 car for 10 rupees. The third question is, which one toy can you buy for 5 rupees? We can buy the number 4 cycle for 5 rupees. The next question is, which 2 toys can you buy for 5 rupees? We can buy number 2 and number 4 toy each. Children, do this homework and complete the textbook page number 158 to 168.